What it do, work gang? Just got home off of work. We about to throw these 26-inch wheels. It's your boy T-Light. But yeah, we about to throw these 26-inch wheels on the Jeep.
Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
There was. Yeah, we about to throw the 26s on the Jeep. I just gotta get everything ready. So we gonna go ahead and throw those on. As you can see, they stacked up. We got 5. If you got wheels on your Jeep, you gotta have 5 wheels. You gotta have the 5th wheel. Well, yeah, we gonna go ahead and move Carnage out the way because I'm gonna do all this in the garage. So let's get a quick little cold start. I said Carnage. Now you know I missed my 392 Daytona. But I meant to say Prometheus. Prometheus, arise. The cold start wouldn't lie because I got it. It was muffled because it's so close to my tires, and the blanket that I got on the tires muffled the sound. So that's why the cold start was whack. I'm gonna say what it was, whatever it is, even if it wasn't the blankets. I'm gonna blame it on the blankets. But yeah, I ain't moved Prometheus in a while. Damn, I ain't even got my mirrors. See my mirrors right there? I ain't even got the mirrors turned out. It is what it is. Just moving you out the way real quick. Play by. Yeah, for those who want to know, no, I do not really drive the Hellcat much. I usually drive my Magnum or my SS. I really don't drive Prometheus that much. He's usually parked. Is it not that, and it ain't that I don't drive him because I ain't trying to put no miles on him. I don't give a damn. I just don't drive him as much as I probably should. I don't really care about miles. I mean, I got my credit's A1. I can get whatever kind of car I want. So it ain't the miles. But yeah. Turn that bad boy off. It ain't the miles, man. It's just I like to drive this car. I love my Magnum. Even if it ain't the best looking Magnum in the world, I love my Magnum. So that's my niece car right there. She love that motherfucker too. But you see, look at that, man. Look at that bad boy, man. Look how clean I got Prometheus. He's so clean. He's so mean. That black on black. Make it say yeah. You see that black on black? Big things coming for Prometheus too. We got a few things coming in store for Prometheus, so be on the lookout for that. I got to change the starter out on the Super, so I ain't really drove the Super in about 2 weeks. I got the starter, I just ain't got around to putting it on. I'm gonna end up doing it. I'm gonna definitely do it this weekend. Probably gonna do it tomorrow when I get off work, most likely. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw these wheels on here real quick. But get straight to it when I do it. Yeah. Matter of fact, I'm probably gonna put this somewhere in the end of the video or not, because I like to get straight to the point. I don't really like to drag videos on, but I'm gonna go ahead and put these wheels on this Jeep when Christine finally bring her butt here. She was supposed to be here when I got here, but she wasn't, so I gotta wait for her to get here in order for me to even put the wheels on here. I gotta wait for Christine. Well, Jeep gang, we got the first wheel on. As you can see, we got the first 26-inch wheel on. We're gonna have that covered over. We got the covers to cover it over, but we got those bad boys on. Shout out to my female helpers that's been helping me, my fiance and my niece. We're gonna go ahead and get the next one on real quick, but I'm gonna go ahead and torque wrench those on real quick. You know, get you a torque wrench for a Jeep. It's 130 pounds per square inch. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those torqued on there. Get it, bop. We got two of the 6s on there. We got 2 of the 26s on there, baby. Halfway, we got 3 more to go. Your boy T-Light tired too, boy. I'm tired. I'm about to knock this bad boys out. Go get it. Go T-Light. Go T-Light. I don't need no help. I do it myself. Myself. No, I'm just playing. But we about to hit these backs up. Bam. We got bam. Bam. And bam. First two done. Let's get it, Word Gang. We monsters. Uh-oh. Yeah. We got the third wheel on. 1, 2. We're trying to beat that sunlight. 3. Then we got to get number 4 on there. I'm about to snatch him off real quick. We about to snatch. Oh. What they used to do? Damn. But I'm going to get back to y'all in a second, man. Bop.
A little nasty.
Well, we got the 4th wheel on. Let's go ahead and let it down. Oh, damn, that came down a lot faster than I thought, baby.
Luckily it's on.
Huh?
Luckily it's on.
Luckily I torqued that bad boy. Hopefully when you ride down the street, that motherfucker don't, you be riding and you turn, the wheel keep going that way.
That's happened to us before.
That happened to us. We ain't gonna
Not
put
in
your name
this.
out there. We ain't gonna put your name out there, nephew. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this 5th wheel off. And that's the 5th wheel, the last one. We're gonna get this bad boy off. It shouldn't take no time to pull that off. And then we're gonna make it happen, Captain. But I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Bop.
Wait,
Towards
go.
me. Up. Yeah. Let me bring it down, son. It's on there. Push it in, Kiara.
Oh,
there it goes.
sorry.
I got it.
I got the flashlight.
Yeah, you don't want to lean that shit on your
Boo, I didn't know. I
camera.
can't see.
You good? Let it go.
I was holding it with my leg.
No, you don't want to put that on your camera. You'd been pissed. That motherfucker pop right off.
I'm strong.
Yeah, you strong as a motherfucker, but if I would have told you, lift that shit up, you would have been, okay. All right, we got it on. You can let it go. Where you put those love nuts I gave you? Well, we got it on, players and playettes. We got it on, players and show them guns, girl. Show them guns, girl.
Little female muscle.
Do like that. I'm too legit to quit. Hey.
That one was actually the easiest.
Yeah. My back hurt like I'm gonna keep it all the way real with y'all. My back hurting. But we got it on. That's the only thing that matters. We didn't break the camera. I bet this bad boy every bit of 200
Don't
pounds.
me, bro.
How would you think it's about 150?
Probably.
200 pounds? At least 100. Nah, every $100 slung up.
Here I saw about wait. I gotta go get the flashlight.
Yeah, I gotta look at the flashlight. We ain't got enough time for that. Energy depleting at a rapid rate.
I was holding up with my leg.
Energy was going quick. I'm gonna go get the flashlight. And then you talking about
I was trying to help,
way,
okay?
boo?
I was
Which
just trying
way?
to- I was
and
just
you gonna
trying
get that shit up.
Well, I was holding it with
I was just
my
trying to
leg. Luckily, my legs are strong. Something's been done. My legs are stronger than
Luckily
my
that camera was strong, because I know that camera's like, man, she don't get this shit off me. Break this one. We're gonna torque this at 50. For those who want to know. Torque
What are
it-
the other ones for?
I might torque it at, I'll probably go torque it at about, be at 50. Like about 50. You can't torque these at the same exact.
How many pounds would you say that is?
Huh?
That.
This wheel, I bet this wheel is at least 100. It's 100 plus.
Man, that was
It ain't no 80 pounds.
hefty defty.
Shit, it's a 26-inch wheel. For all you ugly motherfuckers that want to know. That stuff is probably light. If you like, wiggle them up. Got that torque wrench for me, love.
Okay, don't forget you almost passed out. I'm trying to put that one on.
I did. I had, you know how you get the hungry shake and you start getting a little dizzy.
But when Kiara was shaking, it was a big deal.
My whole body was shaking. I'm about to drop it.
I want to drop it.
Oh, I ain't even got the shit torqued to specifications. My bad, y'all. My bad, players. So we're gonna torque it at about 50. Bam, right there. Torque it at about 50. So nobody can't just come back there and try to screw it off. If I catch you, I'm gonna screw your head off. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and get this on. Holler at y'all in a second. Bye. Well, we got it done, baby. Thought I put a little flashlight on there just in case y'all can't see. I give y'all a better look in the daytime. But yeah, we definitely done. I gotta take it for a test drive, so I'm gonna take y'all with me because you know I torque these bad boys to specifications. But we gotta make sure we got it torqued right because I ain't gonna let my fiance ride around with this shit wrong. I gotta test it, so if something go wrong, it'll go wrong while I'm driving it. You dig? So we gonna go ahead and jump in this bad boy and we gonna make it happen. Yep, we got it all on there. Make sure that camera clean. So we good to go, man. We're gonna make it happen, man. We're gonna here snatch these keys up real quickity, splickety diggly. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to be on the camera, get out the way. See what we eating here. Ooh, we in here making a mess.
Yeah, we didn't get big enough shells.
What the hell was y'all trying to make?
Crunch Wrap Supreme.
Man, they said they was making Crunch Wrap Supremes. Look like a Crunch Wrap mess.
Wow.
It's probably gonna taste fire though.
Well, this one's yours, so you better hope it tastes fire.
Man, that look like a fat ass pancake. It's probably fire though. They said they was making Crunch Wrap Supremes.
We tried to.
Yeah, look at theirs though. They made mine was the tester. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this Jeep. I'm gonna take it for a test drive. So if I don't come back, that means I didn't make it. Jig. Let's go, word gang. Let's hit a quick little block, word gang. Hold on, let me put this back. Let me put the flashlight back up here. And we're gonna get in this bad boy. We're gonna hit a block. We're gonna hit a block. Oh damn, I forgot I tore this motherfucker with 26s on it. I don't know if y'all can see me. They wanna beat me, but I don't know if you can see me. Is it any lights in this damn Jeep? But I ain't for sure if no lights, so I'm just gonna keep the camera like that because you know I don't drive this thing. Parking brake off. I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second when I figure out what these lights is. Well, word gang, I found the lights, but there ain't much light on this bad boy. But let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, yeah, that's that Axleback AFE. I'm gonna do a 1-year review on that the AFE Axleback for the Jeep JL. I'm gonna do a review on that, a 1-year review, and let y'all know what I think about it. But let's get this road, man. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's cracker jacking. Man, I hope these wheels don't pop off. I hope these wheels don't fall off. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get on the streets. Well, it's driving good so far. I'm trying to do a little bit of maneuvering, trying to hit a little speed, make sure the wheel. I don't want these wheels popping off, because as y'all know, I done had a wheel pop off on me before. It wasn't me that did it, but I'm just saying. I was riding in the car before, and somebody didn't torque the lug nuts to the specification, and that motherfucking wheel came flying off. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna test it out, make sure everything good to go. Can't let my fiance get in this bad boy without knowing that it's safe. I'm trying to stay away from this curb too, man, because there's a lot of sticks out here. You know, bust a U-turn like you trying to come get me though, playboy. Playboy boy. Yeah. I ain't getting no wobble or nothing like that, so we must be goody goody. We must be good to go. I don't know if y'all can see me, but yeah, everything A1. So far, so good. I mean, I usually don't change my own tires and all that stuff, but lately, man, I've been on my own thing, trying to do everything myself, man, because people, they'll let you down. Not saying everybody that I fool with will let me down, but some people, you know, you put a little faith in them and they'll let you down. You know, they don't take their craft seriously. So when you don't take your craft serious, I mean, I'd rather not fool with you. You know what I mean? I see you, playboy. I ain't gonna run you over. But yeah. So it is what it is. And it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Cause like I said, I'm good with my hands. People just don't know that I am. You know, a lot of people just assume that I just want to pay for stuff instead of doing it myself. But I ain't got no problem doing things myself, because like I said, when I was younger, much younger, I used to do everything myself. My hands, I use my hands, you know. I mean, if it's plug and play, I can do it. It's nothing to it. And some stuff that's not plug and play that I can do. It just since I'm doing it by myself, it take me a little longer. And a lot of stuff I used to do, I forgot how to do. But I ain't gonna say I forgot how to do. I'm just not as fast as I used to be. But changing tires out and, you know, putting fender flares on and changing out starter, anything that's plug and play, anything like that, starters, you know, I can do it. I can change the transmission if give me the right setup, the right tools, and I can change the transmission, because that ain't really nothing but plug and play too. So, but yeah, I've been getting let down a lot, man, and I'm tired of putting, you know, give people your money and they don't respect your money. So, and I really ain't into it. I ain't saying I'm rich or nothing like that, but if I'm paying you my money, I don't want to wait no month or 2-3 months. I'm not with that wait no more. I ain't with that wait no more. I don't know if y'all can see me. Hopefully y'all can. But I'm not with that wait no more. That ain't gonna happen no more. I'm not waiting. You're not gonna push me back to the back burner. Okay, you can push me back 2 weeks, but 3-4 weeks, I'm not waiting. I don't gotta wait. I can go spend my money somewhere else, or I'll do it myself. I'm not waiting no more. And I ain't trying to diss nobody or nothing like that. So don't assume it's for that. I'm just saying what it is. But if you feel like it's a diss to you, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I ain't finished. Hey, come on now. I'm T-Light. I ain't backing down from nobody. Ain't a coward bone in my body. But it is what it is. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back to where I'm going.